BMNR lost 2.03% in the session of Tuesday, the 30th of December 2025. Okay, so the company has increased its ETH holdings by 32,938 units. Yes, the stock has come back into the spotlight as investors brace for a high stakes shareholder meeting that could reshape the company's future. On the table are proposals to significantly increase authorized shares to boost executive compensation, developments that have sharply divided investors. At the same time, the company has officially begun staking a sizable portion of its Ethereum treasury, a move bulls argue could improve or could introduce a recurring revenue stream and help stabilize long-term fundamentals, especially if ETH appreciation resumes. Bullish View. Supporters see the current weakness as tax loss selling plus year-end positioning, not a reflection of fundamentals. They believe ETH staking income plus long-term ETH upside equals a powerful compounding effect. Some argue expanded share authorization could provide flexibility for growth, acquisitions, or further ETH accumulation. The thesis remains that BMNR acts as a leveraged, publicly traded ETH treasury vehicle, potentially attractive if crypto re-enters a strong uptrend. Bearish slash concerned view. Critics warn that the share authorization proposal opens the door to heavy dilution, directly hurting existing shareholders. There's growing frustration that BMNR has underperformed Ethereum itself, raising questions about execution. Executive compensation proposals are seen by some as misaligned with current performance. Others worry management actions may be self-serving, especially during market volatility. So a chunk of the investor and trading community is simply waiting for the vote outcome and clarity on capital strategy. Institutional position, short interest, and ETH market direction remain key variables. With crypto markets still choppy, particularly Ethereum, BMNR continues to trade like a leveraged ETH proxy, amplifying both optimism and fear. The upcoming vote and the rollout of the staking program are now viewed as make or break catalysts that could either restore confidence or deepen skepticism. Okay, so the line trend still remains strongly bullish. Okay, so the stock is still reeling from the rejection on the 10th of December when it got rejected at its 40-day moving average. That moving average served as a primary supply line. So the extrapolation is saying that it may continue to decline up till the 28th of January. And the 40-day moving average may also continue to decline as well to prevent any bounce that might happen, especially given that it is still reeling from that rejection. It also got a rejection at its 200-day moving average. So it has continued to decay further. Got a rejection on the 40-day moving average, and then 9 days later, got a rejection at its 200-day moving average. Okay, so let's see now. Projections are saying not some really severely bearish downward projections. Negative 14.95, negative 24.69, 0.8150, and indeed upper projections of 42.72, 49.74, 54.09. Yeah. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart for the weakness is expected up till at least Friday pre-market session. Then after that, it's expected that a bounce may occur that may hold up at least up till Wednesday the 7th. Then after that, it might be a consolidation. Projections are currently saying 27.76, to the 6.86. Momentum is expected to remain weak at least up till the pre-market session of Monday. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. It was trending a couple of hours ago. Yeah, okay, let's see how it goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.